Hello friends, in our previous three videos we have seen what are the fundamental rights, what is the judiciary, what are the other features which are there in the constitution of North Macedonia. So from these three videos we can see that there are certain aspects which get highlighted, like humiliating conduct is prohibited, social security is given. Now as far as this mass media is concerned, there are good rights which are given, that is a right of reply via mass media, right to a correction in mass media, and to protect information which is given in mass media. Here particular safeguard is done for the citizens who are infirm or unfit by providing them special assistance. Jobs are open under equal conditions. Judges of the Constitutional Court are elected from the outstanding members of legal profession. Judicial Council decides on the positions, that is how many judges are required, how many courts are required, that is being decided by the Judicial Council. Constitutional Court decides on the answerability of the President of North Macedonia. Now Judicial Council also takes special care to see that the reputation of the judges is maintained, and at the same time the council also looks into the aspect that the citizens have a trust in the judicial system. Censorship is prohibited. A foreign person can acquire a land in North Macedonia with, of course, certain terms and conditions and regulations. Now the importance which is given to the citizens of North Macedonia can be seen by various aspects which are there. For example, 1,000 voters have right to propose law. 10,000 voters have right to propose law. 1,50,000 voters can request for a referendum on important issues. Minimum 10,000 voters can nominate candidate for the President of North Macedonia. 1,50,000 citizens can initiate a proposal for the amendment of the Constitution. So friends, these were the certain things which are there in the Constitution of North Macedonia. We hope that you would have enjoyed this entire episode of glimpses of Constitution of North Macedonia. We thank you for giving your valuable time in watching this particular video. So thank you. Namaste.